How to change email in TikTok account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to change email in TikTok account. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the TikTok application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, go straight to your profile and further tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. You will see the option for settings and privacy. Tap on that. Now, under the account tab, you will see the option for account. Tap on that and further tap on the user information option. Now, tap on the email option and in the pop-up that appears, tap on the change email option. In the interface that you will then be led to, enter the new email address that you want to change your email to and then tap on the send code button. You will then receive a code from TikTok in the email you just entered, so go ahead and enter the code, and with this, your email will be changed successfully. So this is how you can change email in TikTok account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.